Luna Classic was able to gain over $20 million. $20 million in 24 hours. And Luna is also on rise. 2.8% as of the time of recording this. This is good for Terra Classic. As of 2 days ago, we actually talked about Terra Classic hitting 4% in 7 days. Yes, Terra Classic ended last week trading with about an increase of 4%. Now we're actually hitting almost 3% in just 24 hours, which is good for LUNC. Though we know that basically Terra Classic is benefiting from what is happening in the crypto industry. But I'm so happy that about almost 3%, that is 2.86%, almost 3%, and before the end of the day, it will hit 3% because according to the Japanese candlestick, latest trading desk, and other indicators, Terra Classic between now down to the next end of tomorrow or next 2 days, there's a possibility that Terra Classic will still rise more. Okay, so I'm happy that at least over $20 million, this is a lot of money being pumped back into Terra Classic. The market cap was, as of yesterday, was about 520 million. Today we are talking about 540 million. So if you keep recording good improvement, price increase like this almost every day, then definitely the market cap will shoot towards $2 billion within the next 3 months. So I'm happy for Terra Classic. Then $20 million, wow, that is a lot of money. We are expecting more in the coming days. We're expecting Terra Classic to gain more market cap, more investors coming in, more money being pumped into Terra Classic. Of course, that means if Bitcoin continues to rise, because definitely it was from what is still happening with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with other crypto coins that actually affecting Terra Classic. So I'm happy to see over $20 million. $20 million is a huge amount of money, and it can take Terra Classic almost 3, 4, 5 days in order to gain such market cap. Okay, so I'm happy to see that LUNC is trying to improve, is trying to bounce back. Now, I also believe right now they should be talking about Terra Classic trying to partner with different companies. Yes, if they can try to partner with some companies and also try to engage in the NFT, I believe with NFT and also partnership with different companies, it will help to boost Terra Classic. Yes, they need to use NFT to get this coin more popular and also plan on how to burn more coins. So I believe that Terra Classic is really planning well. But let's just hope that within the next 5 months or 6 months to come, this coin will bounce back. Terra Classic will be on track, at least hitting over 5 or let's say $2 to $5 billion market cap. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.